right there. Okay. Oh, hold there. Make sure it's good. If it's not good, it's gonna be a problem. Can't cook by it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think cây đây này, cái này strike này. People ốc này, cây con này.
Oh my God. Hit me. Shit, could you do a little cold start though?
Yeah, so let me show you if you hop inside the car.
Any leak to inside? No, see all this crack here. The water go inside.
Yeah, I sealed it up with some caulking, so.
Okay, I back a leak.
You sealed it.
Cannot open.
But I'm not worried about the sunroof.
You just worry about. You just worry about the engine.
Dead.
So, when you start this car, you have to give it a little gas for it to warm up. So it's a neutral. So just have your foot on the gas. I gotta get a retune.
No, it's all new. What? It's full interior. What do you mean? Look at the interior, it's clean. Look. Okay.
You run a lot of system from here. You run more system. What is the system?
That's the computer. The powers the car. Oh. It's a standalone, so you can tune in with the computer. It's got an HKS.
Oh yes,
But
sir.
if you unplug the vacuum line, you can hit that flutter.
Oh yeah.
I got that from the video, right? Sounds good.
I was about to just almost I needed to change my pants.
Yeah. You also would need alignment because this thing, you know.
Yeah, that's thing.
But it's fine. It still goes.
Yeah, I got RPF ones with
RPF ones,
and then the
guardrails
works.
on the back. My favorite wheels right there.
Man, yes sir, that's the perfect combination.
But yeah, you'll see temperature is right there in the middle. When I bought this car, the car would overheat, and I'm like, what the hell did I do?
Yeah,
But
we
it
just
was
couldn't handle all that.
The guy hooked the electric fans to the AC, and it was stupid. I was like, what the hell is this? So I replaced it back to the stock clutch fan, and ever since it's been perfect.
Can't go wrong with the stock. So what does it rev up to?
85.
Jeez. Shit.
But the body is cheap. But the engine is what is very engine, right? Engine and transmission.
Yeah, this is a super engine.
Right?
Super Soarer motor, yeah.
I know, but I saw on Craig they call like 1900.
1900.
Yeah, the whole body like this. They say bed transmission.
This
But the
motor,
body's good.
This motor right now is probably worth $7,000.
Yeah, because I'm putting the motor and engine. That's it, right?
That's it.
You don't care what the body look like, right?
They don't care. Nobody cared. All I cared about was the motor.
But the paint is pretty good.
It's alright. It has a lot of defects, but I mean, if you
It's a black car and it's in Florida. So like,
what size engine is that?
what size? It's
2.5.
2.5. Yeah.
2.5? 4 or 2?
2.5.
2.5 engine.
So inline 6. The brakes are really good.
That's over speed, right?
Yeah.
Over speed because the speed is only
Yo.
55. You put like 8.
I'd be careful now. This cops around here.
Well, the brakes out of LS400. But
It
the
fits
sound-
this.
What?
The LS400 brakes fits this.
When you put it to 25
My.
Yes, sir. It's a healthy motor, man.